minus 4 minus 6. The only reason behind this is that we will take the elements of single set from which we are subtracting, okay, which is 1 2 3 5, and the element which is present in the two sets we will cut that, okay, and rest of this elements we will left it as usual, okay. So the answer is 1 to 5. Students, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, write me in comment section, I'll reach you there, okay. Students, if you need further any doubt, if you have any further doubt, or you didn't get this video understand, I'll make another video to explain it briefly. Now let's talk about some properties of the operation of union, okay. Pause the video, note it down. Let's talk about some properties of operation of union. Properties of union. Our first property is A union B, B is equal to B union A. It is commutative law. And the second property is A union B union C, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. It is associative law. Third law is A union phi gives A. This is very important law. It is known as law of identity. Now let's talk about the fourth law. A union A is equal to A, idempotent law. Many questions are asked from this law in any exam. Now let's talk about the fifth and the last law. We have U union A gives U. It is known as law of U. So pause and note it down. Now let's talk about some questions regarding union of the sets. Let's take example number 12. Let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. 6, 8, 10, 12. Find out A union B. There is nothing difficult in this question. We just need to write the elements of the both of these sets combinedly. A union B is equal to solution. A union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Students, note that do not repeat an element twice, okay. Let's talk about the 13th example. Let A is equal to AIU. A is equal to A E I O U, and B set is AIU. AIU, and show that A union B is equal to A. Show A union B is equal to A. Okay. First of all, write A union B is equal to A. What is A union B? A union B is only A, E, I, O, U, because the elements of B are A, I, U, which are already present in this A set. A, E, I, O, U, A, I, U, A, I, U. Okay, and let's write A set. A, E, I, O, U. Now see, are these both of the sets equal? Yes. Hence, it is verified. Hence, true. Okay. Now let's talk about the 14th example and last example on union. Let's talk about 14th example. I'm writing the 14th example. Before I'm writing it. Let X is equal to Ram, Geeta, Akbar be the set of students of class 11th who are in school hockey team. Let Y is equal to Geeta, David, Ashok be the set of students from class 11th who are in school football team. Find X union Y and interpret the set. Okay. X is Geeta, Ram, Geeta, Akbar. Geeta and Akbar. And Y set is Geeta, David and Ashok. Okay, what we need to find out X union Y. X union Y. So let's note that the X set is the students of class 11 who are in school hockey team. I am writing school. I am writing hockey. Okay, for X set and Y for football. What we need to find out X union Y. X union Y. Solution is X union Y is equal to Ram, Geeta, Akbar, David and Ashok. From here we conclude that Geeta is present in the school hockey team as well as school football team. Okay, and basically this set is talking about the school hockey players and football players simultaneously. And students, note that I'm telling about this Geeta because this Geeta is intersection of these X and Y. Okay, student, pause the video to note it down. Student, definition of union according to NCERT is definition of union. Okay, the union of two set A and B of two set A and B is the set C. A and B is the set C, which consists of all those elements which consists of all those elements which are either in A or B, which are either in A or B. Okay, in symbols we write A union B. We write A union as a u p. This is not u, this is actually union, which is x is related to x, so that x belongs to a or x belongs to b. X belongs to b. Okay, so what does this definition actually means? This definition means that the two sets a and b union will give the set c, okay, which will definitely contain the elements of a set and b set simultaneously. And in set builder form we will write it as x is related to x, is that x belongs to a or x belongs to b. Okay, now let's talk about intersection of the sets. Okay students, now let's talk about intersection of sets. Okay, the intersection of sets a and b is the set of all elements which are common in both a and b, and intersection is represented by this inverse u. And this is not actually inverse u, this is intersection symbol. Okay, its definition according to NCERT is the intersection of two sets section of two sets a and b, a and b is the set of all those elements, is set of all those elements symbol of which belong to a and b set. Okay, symbolically we write a intersection b as x is related to x, that x belongs to a and x belongs to b. Some of you must be thinking that what is difference between intersection of sets and union, and if you see this definition properly you will get to know what is difference between this union and the intersection. Okay, and let me tell you the difference. In intersection the only common elements are taken, and in union the both of the sets, the elements of both of the sets are taken simultaneously. Okay students, pause the video to note it down. Now let's take few examples related to this topic, and let's take 15th example. Okay, consider the sets. Consider the sets a and b of example 12. A and b of example 12. Example 12. So what were the sets a and b in example 12? Let me look it. Okay, the a set was 2 4 6 8, 2 4 6 8, and b set is 6 8 10 12. Let's find out a intersection b. Remember, in example 12 we find out the union, that is we took all the elements of a and b set simultaneously, and in this a intersection b we need to find out the common elements of these both of sets. And so what are the common elements? I think 6 and 8 are the only, so writing 6 and 8. Okay, now let's move to the 16th example. We have consider the sets x and y of, for example, 14. It is saying the same thing in each of these example. Okay, let me take x set of one question example, which is from Gita Akbar, and y set is Gita Ramishok. Ashok. Okay. So what is asking x intersection y? Students, do you know what is NCERT motive behind giving this example again and again? The only motive of NCERT is that to get a better understanding of the concept. Okay, and in x intersection y we will have Gita, as Gita is the only element which is present in both of this set. Okay. Mm, Gita is common to both sets. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Okay students, let's talk about some properties of intersection of sets. Some properties of operation of intersection. Operation of intersection. Okay, our first property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, which is commutative law. Commutative law. Moving to the second property, we have A union B, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C, which is associative law. Okay, going to the third property, we have phi intersection A is equal to phi, because phi does not contain any element, that's why we have phi. It is known as log phi. So this is very important property. Many questions are asked in NDA exam from this property. Okay. Now moving to the fourth property, we have A intersection A is equal to A. This is idempotent law. Moving to the fifth and last property, we have A intersection. I'm marking this as because this is one of the most important identity, and many questions are asked in board exam from this identity. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is distributive law. Okay, distributive law. Student, pause the video, note it down. Students, now let's talk about our last topic of exercise 1.4 intro, which is difference of sets. Difference of sets. Okay, let's talk about its definition. And its definition according to NCERT is the difference of the sets A and B A and B in this order. Order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not B. Okay, and symbolically we write it as A minus B. Okay, so let me explain this definition to you. The difference of sets means that we are subtracting B set from A set, and the set which we will get will the only elements of A set. The set which we will get will have only the elements of set A. Okay, did you get it? And students, note that the resulting set will contain the elements of only and only set A but not B. Okay, this is what it is written here. Okay, now let's take a few examples from this set, and before that pause the video, note it down. Students, let's have a look on example 18, which is let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and B set is 2 4 6 8. 2 4 6 8. Find out A minus B and B minus A. A minus B and B minus A. Okay, let's take its solution. A minus B will be 1 3 5, because 2 4 6 are present in B set. 2 4 6, that's why I deducted 2 4 6 from this A set, and resulting set is 1 3 5. Okay, and B minus A will have 2 4 6 8. It will have only 8 because 2 4 6 are present in this set as well. And students, if you notice it properly, that in this A minus B the elements are present of only A set, and this B minus A the elements are present of B set. Okay, now let's take the last example, which is 9th example. It states that let V is equal to A E I O U and B is equal to A I K U. Okay, find out V minus B and B minus B. V minus B and B minus C. I'm writing it upside of V minus B. Okay, so let's talk about V minus B. V minus B is A E I O U, A I to I, and U to U. Okay, the resulting element will be E O. That's it, because E and O are not present in this B set. And students, what if the V set was equal to B set? We will have 5 set remaining. Okay, now let's talk about B minus V. b minus v will contain k, because k is not present in this v set. Okay, this was the last example of this video and this exercise 1.4 intro as well. And students, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel.